This simple-looking blob is actually a swarm of millions of magnetic nanoparticles. The swarm is controlled by a rapidly oscillating magnetic field. Modifying the magnetic field allows the microswarm to move about. It can also change direction and shape, split up, rejoin, and even move through a maze. The idea is to imitate the swarms found in nature, in animals like birds or fish. These groups of individuals together form large shapes, but they're much more flexible than a single large creature would be. The same can be said of the microswarm. It's strong enough to manipulate small objects, but flexible enough to fit through narrow spaces. This technology may have medical applications, perhaps delivering drugs around the body or acting as a contrast agent for X-rays or ultrasound scans. But although this microswarm is pretty good at getting through a simple maze, the inside of the human body is a much tougher challenge. Tricky obstacles like fast-flowing blood cells and highly salty solutions can complicate things. So a lot more work is needed before magnetic nanoparticles can start swarming around inside your body.